What is a scale? Well, we did talk about in the last module how a scale is 7 notes. Well, there's many different types of scales, but the most modern Western scale is 7 notes. We talked about how it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, or if we're in the key of A minor, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it kind of repeats over and over again. Or if we're thinking about, in the terms of like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, those are the 7, and then we go back do, that's the octave. So if we do C to C, or do to do, or A to A, that's an octave. That's called an octave. A scale is a set of musical notes ordered by fundamental frequency or pitch. It's ordered by increasing pitch in an ascending scale, or ordered by a decreasing pitch if it's a descending scale. Learning scales are quite essential if you want to get into guitar soloing and freestyling over any song. We'll get more in depth into scales at another time, but this is just a nice overview so that we kind of know what we're getting into as we move forward when we start learning the actual scales themselves. On a piano, it's really easy and straightforward. All the white keys are in the key of C. All the white keys are in the key of A minor. On a guitar, it's a little different. We kind of have to memorize patterns to be able to know what notes are in a scale, or memorizing where each note is on the guitar. Patterns are an easier way to memorize this, so that's what we're going to do. The scales we've been talking about are 7 notes, but what we're going to do is actually make it even easier at first, and we're going to start with something called a pentatonic scale. We're going to learn the A minor pentatonic scale in this module. The pentatonic scale only has 5 notes, which makes it a little easier to remember the patterns and more straightforward anyway when you start to play them, and that's why I want to start with that. The A minor scale has A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The A minor pentatonic scale takes away the B and the F, and it's A, C, D, E, G. So A, C, D, E, G, 5 notes. In the next lesson, we're going to go over the first pattern in the A minor pentatonic scale, and you'll see how fun and how easy it is to play a scale. And by the end of this module, you'll be able to start playing and soloing over other music in the same key. That being said, those finger exercises for the left hand that we did way at the beginning of this course, there was a reason why I had to do that, because doing those exercises helps so much with what we're about to do and giving your fingers the confidence and the strength to be able to create your own guitar solos. So let's do it.